Hey, it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Kathleen, and today I'm going to be attempting to make my own squishy. So I've never done anything like this before. I've watched several tutorials, and I just kind of combined a few methods, and this is how I'm going to do it. So what you will need are some scissors, lots of tape, preferably clear tape, and some stuffing, tissue paper, and a few plastic bags. So I'm gonna take the stuffing, and this is just from an old pillow. Right now I'm kind of squishing it in here. I'm making it pretty tight, but still there's just a little air, and right now it's kind of lumpy and stuff. Don't worry, we'll hopefully take care of that later. Okay, it's cut. It's taped, kind of looks like a weird little diaper type thing right now, but don't worry, we will take care of it. I wouldn't squish it right now because this is really thin, and it could break. I am gonna make this a panda because that seems to be the simplest squishy out there right now. So fun to say squishy. Okay, so I'm gonna try to fold this in as nicely as I can. I have my Sharpie, and now I'm going to draw the face on, I think, the side right here. Here we go. That's my panda's face. It's kind of cute. I don't know. And then that's body. I don't know. It might turn out. It'd be awesome if it turned out. I did not tape the part I'm drawing on because if you draw on the tape part, it will probably not stick and rub off your hands. I'm gonna take this tape and actually I'm gonna smooth out the face before I do this. Okay, face looks good. Hard part. This is my panda squishy. It's pretty cute. The face, I've never drawn a little face like that. I'm not sure if I really care for the ears. I could have colored those in probably. The eyes are decent, little mouth. It looks like a sleepy panda to me right now. I tried. Maybe I could have done some paws, add a little more detail, but yeah. Now for the squish test. Squish. But yeah, I mean, it goes up pretty well. That was pretty hard. You can hear the tape kind of crackling as it goes up. Only that part stuck down. That is all for this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. And please let me know, did you attempt this, or do you have any easy tips to make your own squishy? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. You have a fabulous day. Bye! One last squish.